Why the second I'm in mobile boom, I see a guy named Rollers but focusing on winning the game. Like, just to roll already. Just to roll, and once I join mobile, boom, I start lit backing without doing anything. And when I try to and when I turned my display name into Fatboy, no one cares. Once I join a troll tower, no one trolls me. I tried to wall hop, failed. I'm just walking around here. Ano nakasakit?
Alam si tayo, pulitin mo tayo.
Rubik's Cube, babe! Rubik's Cube. Nice, clean Rubik's Cube. That is broken. Broken. Get out! Handsome!